Nasty Pillow Shark Stain Station. We're gonna clean it out right now. This is red soda. I'll put even more on here and we'll be able to take it out really easy with this awesome device right here. Very compact unit, but it's very powerful. It has many attachments, including the pet attachment, which has a very unique chamber. I'll show you how that works in 1 second. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug this in and show you the power of this awesome machine. This is a very unique machine that will help you clean upholstery, carpet, clean around the house, clean it in the car. Super easy. You have a long power cord so you can work away from an outlet very easily. It's a 3-prong power plug right here. Plug it into your outlet and I'll show you the suction power on this thing. By the way, this is the nozzle right here. It clips on nicely. You're gonna lift the nozzle from here and then spin it around. It has a good link to it, you can see, and then power on by pushing this button over here, and we're gonna see how powerful this is right here. This is a suction, super powerful suction. So powerful, I can even hold it up like this. You see? It's very, very powerful. Anyway, this has a scrubber, and all you gotta do is push this button to spray the water. So you see all this red stuff? I'm gonna spray the water right now, and I'll suck it up right there, and see how easy it is to suck up. And this is how you can remove the water. Look, it's already removing the stain. Spray and remove, and it's gone. And all the dirty water is going into this tank right over here. And you're probably wondering, this is a really small brush, really small device. How can I clean a bigger stain? You have an attachment right here. This is a bigger one. Slide it on just like this and clips in. And now you push the button right here to spray again and spray the water. It comes out right here. And then now you can suck up again. Very powerful. And this one has a bigger brush and a bigger suction area right there. And you can agitate with this brush right here and then suck at the same time. Spray and then repeat and then remove all the stain. You see how all the stains going away? Super simple, super easy right there. And then I got a bonus for you. If you have a pet, you're gonna love this one. This is a pet attachment. Why is this so cool? Well, first and foremost, you got the silicone brush right here and you have a chamber. The chamber allows you to store the dirty water separately from your dirty water tank. So when you use this, the dirty water is going to go in here. And in here is where all your pet debris and all nastiness goes. You even have a separate filter right here that you easily can clean. This way, all your nasty pet stuff doesn't go in this chamber right here. So I'm going to go ahead and close this out right here, and we'll be ready to rock and roll again. So let me lock this in place. And then when you use a pet attachment, pushing this trigger sprays the water, but from up here. So when you spray right here, you see the water sprays right there. Super easy to spray the water, and then you can see the suction right there. Wow, it's so powerful. You're gonna spray and suction it up. Super easy. That's how you clean it. And if you notice right now, where's the water going? It's going in here. It's getting trapped in here, and that's all your pet nastiness. It does not go in here with this unique tool right here. So anyway, that's how it works. And when you're done, you let the upholstery dry and you're good to go. I'm gonna turn this off and show you how portable this unit is. Once you're done, you can remove your attachment right here and clean out all the different tanks, clean out this tank. But more importantly, let me show you how everything kind of wraps together. It's very portable. And also, let me show you the dirty water tank here too. So this is a dirty water tank. You can see that's the dirty water. It can fill up to this max level here, and this has a lock. So to unlock, you push down here and lift this up, and that's how you empty out your dirty water. Put it back here and lock it. That way you don't accidentally spill out your dirty water. You also have a filter here that you should clean once you use it. And then you also have 2 tanks for the clean water. So the clean solution is a little bit complicated unless you know how to use it. Let me explain right now so you will know. So over here, this is your clean water tank, and this is super easy to use. What you do is you open this up and you fill it upside down. And when you fill it, first you fill it with water up to this water line right there. Then you're going to use this deep clean. Fill that up to this concentrate line, and that's it. So this one, you need to dilute it, but don't worry about the concentration about dilution, because this tank will figure out the concentration for you. You just fill up the water up here, and then up here is the concentrate, and that's how you dilute it. Once you fill that up, you're gonna close this up here, and then that is your clean water tank. And then there's another water tank that goes in right here. So the one in the front is a blue water tank, and this one is for your oxy multiplier. This is the oxy multiplier. I don't use it, but if you want to, you can use it for even more power. It's the multiplier. So you do not dilute this. What you do is you pour the oxy multiplier up to the max line right here, tighten this lid, slide this on, and that's how you use the whole unit. Super simple, right? And when you're done, what you're gonna do is you're gonna unplug the vacuum and wrap the power cord around here. So this makes it easy to manage the cord. So once you're done, you can tidy it away, store it, and if you need to bring this upstairs, downstairs, it's also easy to quickly tie it away, and that way you can just move around without getting the cords all over the place. So once you're done wrapping it around, there's a little groove right here that locks into itself so it holds the power cord, and then this awesome long length of a wand can wrap around the Shark StainStriker like this, and there's a little groove here that will latch back on here, and that's it. The Shark StainStriker with the pet attachment right here. Oh yeah!